You're under arrest. Ground, do you understand me?
Stop touching me!
You're the one touching us.
Stop fucking touching me!
Stand at the back of the car.
I'm not drunk or high. Leave me the fuck alone.
In Wheaton, Illinois, a woman was pulled over by the police because she made an illegal turn at a red light and she was not also wearing seatbelt. Hit the subscribe button and watch how the drama escalated from a traffic stop to her falsely accusing the cops of molesting her.
How did you know my name?
Because you gave me your driver's license.
No, before that.
I know who you are. I've met you before.
Oh, sorry. Is this it?
Take a look. So what's going on tonight?
I'm having a really hard time.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is the insurance here. It's valid. Alright. Do you mind getting out of the car? I just want to talk to you really quick.
I'm not drunk or high.
Yeah, I just want to talk to you outside the car.
Why?
So that way I can just get a better look at how you're doing this evening and that sort of thing, okay? Do you mind putting your shoes on and then stepping out of the car for me? You can put this back there too. I'm just gonna stand right back here, okay? That's my partner right there. Here, Amika, if you could stand right over here, please. So that way we're as far away from other cars that are gonna come down the road. It's the safest place for us to stand. Okay, can I just take a look at your eyes really quick?
I'm not high. What the heck?
I just want to take a look at your eyes.
I'm not high.
Okay. All right, Amika, you're not going back in the car right now. You're just going to stand right here. I just want to talk to you.
Say real quick, all right?
Amika, do not go back in your car.
Stop.
Amika. Amika, we're not trying to escalate the situation anymore. You need to take your hands off him.
Stop. This is my car. Go away.
Amika.
Stop.
Amika.
Get your hands off me.
All right.
Get your hands off me.
You're not going back in your car. All right.
Get your hands off me.
Relax.
Stop touching me!
You're the one touching us.
Stop fucking touching me!
Stand at the back of the car.
No.
To relax, you understand?
I don't want
come
you.
out here. Amika, I just need to talk to you at the back
I'm
of the car.
not drunk or high. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone.
Based on your driving, I want to do a few tests
Leave
to make
me
sure you're
alone.
okay.
I'm fine. I am fine.
You took a left at a red light.
Who cares? Everyone does that.
That is not true. I need you to take a
No.
to go back to the back of your car.
We can talk right here.
I need you to go back to the back of your car. That's a lawful
Don't touch
order.
me. Don't touch me.
It is a lawful
Don't
order
touch me.
for you to go to the back of your car right now.
Don't touch me. You're not making me do shit. Don't touch me.
Amika,
Do not touch me.
I need you to go to the back of your car so
I'm
we
not
can talk.
high or drunk. Do you see my eyes? Are you dumb?
When I asked this to your eyes before, you started walking away from me.
Yeah, I'm not high. Look at me.
All right,
Look at me.
let's go to the
Look
back
at
of the
me.
car.
Look at me. I am not high or drunk.
Okay, then let's go to the back of the car and talk.
There is no sobriety test we're doing. I'm not doing a sobriety test. I'm not doing it.
Why not?
Because I'm not drunk or high. Are my words slurred? I'm not talking like that.
Let me just talk to you at the back
Leave
of the
me
car
alone.
so we're away from where traffic
Leave me
will go.
alone. I'm not doing anything. If you want me to get a ticket, then give me a ticket.
Amika,
Seems like you're the one
once you're
escalating.
done with talking to him, you can be.
What do you want to talk about? What?
Find out what he wants to talk about and get it over.
What?
And done with.
What do you want?
Let's go to the back
What
of
do
the
you
car.
want?
So I want
What
to talk
do you
to
want? What
at
about
the
what?
back of the car, so I don't have to worry about other cars
Regarding
coming at
what?
us.
Regarding what?
About your driving and what's going on this evening.
Nothing's going on. You guys probably
Okay.
make fun of me.
We don't. I want to make sure you're doing okay tonight.
I'm fine. I am fine. Everyone struggles. Everyone. You struggle. You struggle.
Yeah, so let's talk about that somewhere where
No,
it's
you're not
safe.
my therapist.
Okay.
I'm not doing that
Can we
again.
go to the rear of the vehicle
No.
so we're not having to deal
We're
with
fine.
other cars?
We're fine.
Okay.
No, stop asking me that, bro. Oh,
What day of the week is it?
what day of the week is it? You tell me.
It's a question I need to ask you. Do you know what day
Well,
of the
I'm
week
just gonna
it
stay
is?
silent because I'm not doing this shit. So,
You know, the quicker you get done with this, quicker you go back.
well, you guys can just stand here.
All right, well, I called my supervisor down here, so we're going to hang out right now.
I'm gonna go back.
You're staying out of the car.
You're fucking off. Fuck off.
If you try to go in the vehicle, you can be arrested for obstruction.
Fuck off.
Amika, you need to stay out of the roadway.
Get your fucking hands off me.
You need to stay on the roadway. All right.
He's right.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Okay, fine. All right, I'll listen.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Ow! You're fucking hurting me. What the
Put your hands
fuck?
behind your back.
Don't pull away from me.
Get your hand out of your jacket.
Then let me get my hand out of my jacket.
Hand out of your jacket.
I can't because your
Put
fucking
your
hand is
hand out of
there.
your jacket.
God damn! Get your hands off of me.
Ma'am. You take me to the ground. Do you understand me?
You get arrested.
Yep. Go ahead. Back with that, please.
Stop being so rough with me.
We need you to walk this way.
Stop being rough with me. Stop being rough with me.
Tango 7, 1 female in custody.
Do not slam me on the back of the car.
You're not going to.
Do not slam me.
Do you hear me?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Turn around, please. There you go.
Stop touching me. Stop touching
I'm
me.
going to touch you. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Cooperate.
I wrote you guys the apology letter. I just want you to leave me alone.
Okay.
I bet you like doing that.
You're under arrest for obstruction.
Cool.
Okay.
You guys
Car
kept
won't I
touching
tell
me.
you. Step
So you
inside
guys
this car.
kept touching me.
Watch your head, please.
So just lean forward in the seat if you can.
Don't ever touch me like that again. Do you understand me?
Well, I got to touch you to check your cuffs.
No, I'm saying when you hurt me back there.
Okay.
You have no respect. That's absolutely inappropriate. And they're way too tight.
All right, can you lean forward so I can adjust them?
I can't, I'm buckled. Are you that dumb?
All right, no reason to be rude.
Well, you were rude to me, so you're pushing me around. That's rude, right? You just tighten them again.
My finger can fit between your wrists. They're fitted properly.
Don't pull my arm. Stop hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
You are hurting me.
My finger can go through that one. That
Stop
one's fine,
pinching
too.
me. Stop pinching
You have
me.
a finger width between both.
Stop
that fit
pinching me.
properly, all right? Can you turn to your left, please?
No, I'm getting buckled.